Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download InShot on your Android phone. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to install it on your phone, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Play Store on your phone. Now click on the search icon and search for InShot. Now you can see install button beside the app. Simply click on it. And as you can see, installation is complete. And just like that, we can download InShot on our mobile phone. And simply click on the open button to start using this app and edit your video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.